5 must-read books for options trading. Are you looking to learn more about options trading? Look no further. In this video, we've compiled a list of the 5 most important books for mastering options trading. From beginner to advanced, these books will provide valuable insight and knowledge into the world of options trading. Introduction. Welcome to our video on the 5 must-read books for options trading. Investing in options is a great way to hedge against market volatility and increase profits. But how do you achieve success in options trading? By learning from the experts. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 books for mastering options trading. Book 1, Options, Futures, and Other Derivatives, by John C. Hull. If you're just starting out, this is the book for you. Hull's book is the definitive guide to understanding the principles of options, futures, and other derivatives. It covers everything from basic concepts to advanced strategies, and is widely used by students and professionals alike. Book 2, Option Volatility and Pricing, by Sheldon Natenberg. Natenberg's book is a must-read for anyone interested in learning about options trading. It offers a comprehensive guide to the principles of options pricing, volatility, and risk management. This book is especially useful for those looking to develop their own trading strategies. Book 3, The Options Playbook, by Brian Overby. Overby's book is a great resource for traders at every level. It contains easy-to-understand explanations of essential options trading concepts, along with practical strategies for maximizing profits and minimizing risk. This book is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their options trading skills. Book 4, Options as a Strategic Investment, by Lawrence G. McMillan. This book is considered a classic in the field of options trading. It's a comprehensive guide to options trading strategies, covering everything from basic concepts to advanced techniques. McMillan's book is essential for anyone looking to improve their options trading knowledge and skills. Book 5, Mastering the Trade, by John F. Carter. Carter's book is a favorite among options traders. It provides a comprehensive guide to trading strategies for both the novice and experienced trader. Carter's book covers a range of topics from technical analysis to money management, making it a go-to resource for traders at all levels. Outro. And that's a wrap on our list of the 5 must-read books for options trading. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, these books are sure to provide valuable insights and knowledge for achieving success in options trading. Which book will you add to your reading list? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more trading education videos like this one.